Today I'm going to show you how to take measurements with a measuring tape. So these are called circumference measurements, and you can either do them yourself. It might be a little bit easier if you have somebody else take them for you. Regardless of which way, you always want either yourself or if you have somebody else do it, the same person to take the measurements, because everybody does it slightly different. I'm going to go over the guidelines with you today so you'll know exactly where to go. I recommend having a pen and paper close by because it is a little difficult to try to remember all of them. So we're just going to do a few. We're going to start at the top, work our way down. It's pretty easy to do. So all you need is a regular measuring tape. I'm going to use the inches side, and we're going to start with the chest. So you want it to come right around the center of your chest, so right at the nipple line. Make sure that this doesn't get twisted behind you. You really want to make sure that it lies flat and all the way around. Where it overlaps is your number. Pretty simple. Make sure that in the back also that it's not, hanging down or up too high. You want it to be straight all the way around, right at the nipple line where the end meets is your number. That's the chest measurement. Moving down to your waist, you want to find your belly button, and same exact thing. You want to make sure that it's flat, straight around, so that it's not, too high or too low, so that it's going all the way around, keeping it flat. And again, where it overlaps, this would be the number where it meets. So this is the waist measurement. Moving down to hips, you want to go at the widest part of your hip. So basically, the biggest part of your butt, where it sticks out the most, that's where we want to measure. Same thing, make sure it's evenly going all the way around and that it's not sitting up high or maybe down in the back and up high here when you go to look at it. Make sure it goes directly all the way around, even on both hips, and again, right where it matches up is your measurement. So those are the three torso measurements: chest, waist, and hips. We're also going to do thigh. So I want you to stand with your feet apart. You can do both thighs if you'd like, but you don't have to. And what you're gonna do for this one is you're gonna look for the widest part of your thigh. So it's towards the top, and same thing, you want it to go straight across. So you're not pulling it up here. We're not standing with our legs together. Again, feet apart. Look for that widest part of your thigh, and then the circumference that goes straight around it. Where they meet up will be the number. The last one is whichever side. If you decide, okay, I'm only going to do left thigh, then we're going to do left arm. So we are looking for the widest part of your bicep. Generally is going to be about halfway between your elbow and your shoulder. This one's slightly more difficult to do yourself, so even if you did all the other ones yourself, you may want to ask for someone to help you with this one. Same thing, make sure that it is flat, that it doesn't get twisted. Right in the center of that bicep, and again, wherever that zero lines up, this will be the bicep. So those are the 5 measurements. Again, we've got the bicep, chest, waist, hips, and thigh. Good luck.